My name's Matt Dyer. I'm a fourth-year student at WVSOM, and over the past 12 months or so, I've had the opportunity to work with the swim team that has been started out of the Greenbrier Valley Aquatic Center. I have about a 20-year history in competitive swimming, from small summer club league teams all the way up to swimming at USA Swimming Nationals. So when the Aquatic Center opened, I got back in the water for the first time in about 2 years and really immediately reconnected with it. It really helps me clear my mind, and I found that I could work on some questions in the morning, go to the pool around lunchtime, really clear my head and be able to get back and do even better studying when I got back in the evening. And that life balance and ability to do something different with my mind really helped me, I think, on my boards, and then again holding that into third and fourth year. So I first got involved in the team because the general manager over at the Aquatic Center sent out an email gauging interest in people who might want to become involved with a swim team in the area. And so I answered that email and said I'd be interested. Coaching with this group has really taught me a lot about learning how to adapt your teaching style, because I'm used to having people who kind of know what I'm saying in my swimming lingo, but a lot of these kids have no competitive swimming experience whatsoever, and so I've kind of had to relearn how to teach things and relearn how to explain things to get the most benefit for the kids, which is something that is definitely applicable to medicine as a student now and as a resident next year. The team has grown quite a bit since we first started. I think we started with about 35 kids last November, and we're at between 45 and 50 now. But just from where we were, where these kids had no idea how to swim most of the competitive strokes for the most part, could maybe swim 50 yards at a time, and now we're racing 200s of all the strokes, and we're racing the 500 freestyle and the 200 IM, and we're confident about doing those things. And it's shown in how we've worked on training them, and I think that their confidence is growing, and I'm hopeful that they're getting to go to this state meet, and their performance at this state meet will just continue their love for the sport. I hope that we've built a sustainable model for a successful team in this area.